Hey there, welcome to today's video where we're diving into a common problem that many of us have faced at one point or another. So, picture this: you finally managed to capture a sign form on your iPhone, send it over to your Mac, and then share it via Apple Mail. All seems well, until you realize that the form has become unexpectedly pixelated and unreadable. Frustrating, right? Now, let's talk about the solution to this annoying problem. When attaching the image to your email, keep an eye out for the image size option: small, medium, large, actual size, and original size. If the original image fits within the email limits, go for original size. If it's too large, choose the option that maintains the largest size within the allowed limits. Simple as that. In summary, we've tackled the issue of Apple Mail messing up image attachments by opting for the right image size when sending emails. So next time you're in a similar situation, remember to select the appropriate size option to ensure your attachments stay clear and intact. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below. We always appreciate hearing from you. See you in the next one.